Alright, so we are just in the process of getting the fireplace in, and we have pulled out a cord, the live wire from the last video, put a plug in right there, so it's going to plug in, screw it in right there. We got the handles put in. I think I said that in the last video. So nothing really changed over here. Bathroom, we just got to clean out that tub, and flooring. Oh, we got this light put in. Let's see. Oh, we don't have the power on, but the light's in. And then we got the countertops in just yesterday. So we still have to put the handles on the cabinets, but we got the countertops in. The laundry room is the same. It's just been painted. Needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but I'm still waiting on getting a stove and a fridge. But yeah, we got the drop sink put in. Only need one hole right here. And then we got to do the plumbing for underneath the sink, and we should be good. But let me know what you think of these counters. All right.